Myself Vasavi. I'm from DRK Institute of Science and Technology. I'm from ECE. So after completion of my B.TECH, I have joined into Qspiders for testing. So here I have learned SQL, Manual, Selenium and Core Java. So these are the things I have learned here. So this institute gave me many opportunities for the interviews, and also I have attended many interviews, like 6 to 7 interviews. So each and every interview gave me an experience, and I have corrected those mistakes with the help of faculty. So I have cracked the interview. And coming to the Qspiders helped me to build strong communication skills and strong technical skills. Like they will start everything from the scratch itself. So everyone can easily understand the subjects which they are teaching here. So this is the thing which I have observed in Qspiders.